Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void. Volumeters in Pure Data are really simple and can easily be made by using two objects, the PVU tilde object and the VU object. Let's first start something that generates sound, so let's use the oscillator using the OSC tilde object. Let's ensure we add a value to the OSC tilde object. By giving the OSC tilde object a value, this will specify a frequency, giving it a sound that we can hear. 500 seems like a reasonable choice and sounds good to the ears. Let's then add a volume control by using the multiply tilde object, and let's give it a really low volume to initialize with, which is 0.1. Let's also add a DAC tilde object so that we can hear the generative sound. Let's give it a slider so that we can see the changes within the volumeter. Once we add those two objects, the PVU tilde object and the VU object, you can visualize how the volume levels change. PVU tilde converts the signal so that it can be passed into the VU object. You will always need to include the PVU tilde object before passing anything into VU. So when I slide the horizontal slider, we can see the volumeter change in levels. Cool, right? Also, instead of typing out VU, you can also select it from the drop-down menu under Put, like this. If you want to connect the VU object by itself without first putting the PVU tilde object, you'll run into an error which you can see in the console window. The console window states, "Error, cannot connect signal outlet to control inlet." So this is why you must always add the PVU tilde object before putting an audio signal into the VU object. See you in the next video. Bye bye! As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!